Happy Monday, everyone. It is time for our weekly mortgage rate forecast for the week of May 20th, 2024. As usual, let's start with a recap of last week. Mortgage rates improved last week when April's Consumer Price Index report showed inflation easing for the first time in months. Rates were then further helped when other data showed retail sales were unexpectedly flat last month. And now for this week's forecast. It is likely that mortgage rates will move slightly day to day, but will remain mostly unchanged for the week. Mortgage rates have settled into a range, anticipating that the Fed will cut rates 2 times this year, with the first cut likely to come at the September Fed meeting. Rates are not likely to move much lower unless we see more data showing the economy and labor market slowing down, along with the easing of inflation. And lastly, let's talk about what's affecting rates this week. The first will be the Fed speakers. Many of the Fed officials will be speaking this week, likely spreading the message that the Fed will keep its policy rate steady until later this year. Next is the early market close on Friday in anticipation of Memorial Day, which lands on Monday. And finally, there will be little economic data that will be influencing mortgage rates this week. And that wraps up our weekly mortgage rate forecast. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you all go out and make this week incredible. As usual, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any of our team members here at SRK Capital if you have any questions. Alrighty, bye-bye.